Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Here, we pulled this light and this top securing tab broke off. But this guide that goes in the light, this guide that goes in the light, this guide that goes in the fender are still there. So I'm going to run this zip tie around here and zip tie it through this hole in the frame of the car. And this will hold that light up and into the car. So that's what I'm about to do. You got to reach in here behind the latch to do it. If you can't reach behind the latch because it's just a pain in the butt reaching back there, you might have to pull the latch to get that thing in there to where you can run the zip tie and zip tie it. So that's where I'm at. Get that zip tie back there. And the zip tie's there. And that's an alternative to using all kind of weird tape and stuff like that to hold that light in, which looks like crap from the street. So there you have it. That light is being held in. You can film down there where they can see the zip tie holding the latch down there. Can you see down there?
Let's see, we'll get in there. Oh yeah.
Right down over this hole right here. You can see that zip tie down there. Okay.
All right. Cool.
And we're all done. Good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.